Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to get custom keyboards on your iOS device. But first, if you want more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe. So to get a new keyboard on your device, go to the App Store and find the keyboard you want to download. So for me, I'm going to get the Gboard by Google. Get it right here. See, I already have it, so I'm going to open it. And it gives you the instructions right here. So, close the Gboard. Go open your settings. Scroll down to keyboard. Add new keyboard. Get the Gboard right here. And then this is optional, but you can delete your already existing keyboards. And this is also optional. You can tap on it if you want emoji access, you want to allow them full access to your device. Okay, so that is how to get custom keyboards on your iOS device. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.